In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you don't have it, just click on gear 1 instead. Choose voice typing in keyboard settings, and then use this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Now go back to your keyboard and tap on visible microphone. If you never used it before, click on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!